a request to some Bengali tourists and they clicked my picture at Panbu viewpoint. So when solo, I have to manage everything. I was going towards Panbu and I saw Samthar and so many places. On the way it was raining and I had a stop at Samthar bakery. So stay tuned for the entire video. On the way to Panbu, I just saw this Samthar Fresh Bakery and I bought some cake cookies, cake muffin for uncle and me, and cake cookies for my home. So this place was not in Google Map, but I add this in the Google Map. You can check in the description box. Kalimpong is famous for cake and cookies, so this Samthar Fresh Bakery and Cafe was really good, and the price is really reasonable. So you must try it if you are going to Kalimpong. Panbu viewpoint. Entry fee is rupees 20, and there is toilet also. So it's 9th of April 2026. Panbu Dara or Panbu viewpoint. There you can see Tista, and that is the Shebok bridge. This is a very nice place. This is Panbu viewpoint. So let me see. This is Tista and that is the bridge Shebok. Panbu viewpoint, and 2023 it was in our bucket list that we are going to Panbu viewpoint and Panbu Dara, but it was not happening. And here today there is no plan for the Panbu viewpoint, but Karma uncle, he told me where us. So he told me let's go to NJP towards that Panbu. The road is not somewhere, it's not that good. From Eden to I came here. So here is the view. It was not in our list and it's happening. So Panbu viewpoint is here. When it's time, it will happen, no matter you want it or not. So I'm very happy. It was raining in Kalimpong in the morning, and right now it's no rain. It's sunny and cold weather. Okay, I'm saving two dogs. They are fighting, so I'm the savior of them. Ajo. So here is the Panbu viewpoint, and yes, my solo tour was really good. Definitely it's good. I enjoyed a lot. There is a jhula from here viewpoint. So the ticket price is only 20 rupees, and there is a clean toilet also. So for ladies and gents, you can go for that. So let me show you the Tista again. This is Tista, and that is the Shebok bridge, and there is another bridge. I don't know the name of that. So Panbu viewpoint is really awesome. Oh, seriously, wish me luck that I can earn a lot and I can show you this thing. And this driver uncle, Karma uncle, is really very good. So there is Rajeshji, and in Kalimpong I will definitely recommend Karma uncle. The place is really quiet and calm, and I was enjoying every bit of the moment I spent over there. I was into Samthar Bakery. It's in Samthar, and Samthar has a scenic view. Today Kanchenjunga is not clear, otherwise you can see the Kanchenjunga from Samthar also. So here from Panbu, I want to have this jhula. So chalo, jhula jhulte hai. I was enjoying, and at the same time, I had a headache to catch the train. I was very calm and composed, and I was on time basically. So, when you are in solo, you have to manage everything by your own. So, have to be very careful. Uh, the time span will be there. So that was the click of mine. I just clicked a selfie, and that was the Panbu viewpoint. From there I clicked that through Samsung M50 mobile, and that was a selfie, I must say. And this is Karma uncle and his car, so I'm sharing the phone number in the description box. So stay tuned for the next video. My journey is going to be aired very soon.